Hello all, I am Rajshekhar from Sunrise Institute. Today I would like to share some more examples which is related to counting of sigma and pi bonds. Let us see first example C6H6. This C6H6 is commonly known as benzene. Okay. Let us count them how many sigma and how many pi bonds it has. Let us see in detail structure of C6H6. Okay. Generally the benzene ring C6H6 is written in this manner, or this is the elaborated structure. Okay, it has alternate double bonds. Okay, say 6 total, 6 carbons are covered. Next, 6 hydrogens. Attach one hydrogen to the one carbon. Okay, next let us count them how many sigma and how many pi bonds it has. First of all, let us say all sigma bonds, either it may be CH sigma bonds or CC sigma bonds. That motion should be sigma. Okay, that's why here this is sigma. All CH sigma bonds are sigma, sigma, sigma. These all are sigma bonds. Next, here in this all sigma bonds, that is single bonds are nothing but sigma, sigma, sigma. Here in this pi bond, one motion should be sigma, another motion should be pi. Here sigma, pi. One sigma, one pi. One sigma, one pi. Total count them. How many sigma bonds and how many pi bonds it has? Total, how many CH sigma bonds? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 CH sigma bonds is there. Okay. Total 6 sigma bonds that is related to CH. CH. Next, let us see CC sigma bonds. CC sigma bonds are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 sigma bonds which is related to CC. Next, CC pi bonds. Here one CC pi bond, another CC pi bond, second one, third CC pi bond. Okay, that is nothing but 3 pi bonds which is formed by the carbon-carbon. Okay, this is the information related to first example, that is benzene. Total benzene has 6 CH sigma bonds, 6 carbon-carbon sigma bond, 3 pi bonds which is formed by the carbon-carbon. Next, phenol. Okay, phenol formula is C6H5OH. It has phenyl ring. Okay, hydroxyl group is attached to the phenyl. Okay, that is nothing but 6 carbons is there. Okay, 6 carbons is there total. Okay, next H5. That is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C6H5. Next, hydroxyl group OH. OH, hydroxyl group. Why? Because oxygen valency is 2, hydrogen has only monovalency, carbon tetravalency. But here carbon is satisfied with 3 bonds. Okay, you should arrange alternate double bonds. Okay, let us check them. Carbon tetravalence satisfied. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here total. Carbon tetravalence is satisfied. Let us check them how many sigma and how many pi bonds. Okay, generally all the sigma, all the single bonds is nothing but sigma. That's why sigma, 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 sigma. Here is also single bond. That is also sigma. Here is also single bond. This is also sigma. These all are also sigma. 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 Here you should concentrate on double bond. The double bond is consisting of 1 sigma, 1 pi. Here also 1 sigma, 1 pi. Here is also 1 sigma, 1 pi. 1 sigma, 1 sigma, 1 sigma. Here 1 pi, 1 pi. Here 1 pi. Okay. Total, let us count them. How many? CH sigma bonds. CH sigma bonds are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any other? Okay, no chance. Total sigma bonds which is formed by the CH. Okay, 5. 5 sigma bonds that is related to CH. Okay, it is also written as in this manner also. Sigma CH is equals to 5. Okay, whatever it may be right. Next, how many CC sigma bonds? 1 sigma, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Okay, 6 sigma bonds which is formed by the CC. Next, CH and CC are covered. Next, CO sigma bond is there. 1. Okay, 1 sigma bond is formed by the CO. Next, 1 sigma bond is formed by the OH. 1 sigma bond is formed by the OH, hydroxyl group or OH. Next, okay, sigma bonds are over. Next, let us move to the pi bonds. Here, how many pi bonds? 1, 2, 3. These 3 pi bonds are formed by the CC. Okay, that is nothing but okay, here 3 pi bonds which is formed by the CC. Okay, this is the information related to phenol. Total phenol has having 5 CH sigma bonds, 6 CC sigma bonds, 1 CO sigma bond, 1 OH sigma bond, 3 CC pi bonds. Okay, this is the information related to phenol.